Alright, got something kind of cool. So, internet access is kind of tough at marinas. A lot of times they work well, sometimes they work terrible. Marina we're at is the one that works terrible. So anyway, what we decided to do was get a Starlink Mini. And we was first few that got to try it out right off the bat, and the one we already have Starlink at our home, so we was able to get it for $30 a month extra, which was really cool instead of the $250 that you normally do when you're doing the marine package with roaming and all that. So the Starlink Mini has roaming. They don't charge you extra for that, but they also wouldn't let you really go out in the water with it or anything. But as of today, they've decided that you can roam and you can do near coastal, you can do international, and I tell you what, this is a game changer. And they got a few other extras. So the little Mini, what it actually does is it's small, and it'll actually go in a backpack and run off of 120 volts or 12 volts or 24 volts. So here it is right here. Now, my only issue was that I had a hard time trying to figure out how to mount this thing. So I got a couple of mounts and they were terrible. They wouldn't work. So if you picked up on that, I said I tried a lot of products that didn't work. So that's what we do on this show. We try different products to find the ones that actually do work, which saves you money. So please subscribe. Most of the watchers are not subscribed to this channel, and it's free. Just hit the subscribe button, and that way you can save yourself a lot of money by letting us spend the money to try the products, see what works best, and then tell you guys about it. For the ones that are subscribed, thank you so much. All right, let's continue with the show. Just really wouldn't hold it to the rail over here. So anyway, so I got this one. I'll put a link down below, show you where I got it at, but this one is really cool. So to go on a 1-inch stainless steel bar, and it has the handle here where you can loosen it and turn it at whatever angle you want to. Then it also comes with this piece of pipe here that actually fits in the Mini right in there. So you just tighten the thumb screw and it fits right in, and it's really stable and sturdy. I mean, it is not going anywhere. So if you're looking for one and you want a mount, I'll put down, this mount's not really expensive or anything, and it matches everything else we got, stainless steel, so it's really cool how it works. So I'll put it, my information down there, what I've used, and it's working out really, really well. I can't wait to get this thing all finalized, and the speeds are incredible, like 137, 157, 180 megabits, and even uploads this morning was running at 31, 32. I mean, really good. So I keep you informed of how it's going with that. As you can see here, the pole was a little short and it was going to rub against the top. I was afraid it was going to put a hole in my bimini. So later on we put a longer pipe on it so it'll be up further away from the top. Before I had it mounted on this little short pole, but we got a longer pole now that'll screw into this. These are threaded. I'll put the link on there so you can see what it looks like. But hopefully this is going to screw into here and then screw back onto our mount. Hopefully it won't be too top heavy. This is stainless steel, so and then it'll go back onto this mount because this mount's bigger at the top, gives it more place for the bite into to hold it on there. And hopefully this will screw right back down where the other one came off of. first thing you want to do is remove the short base if it's already on the mount. And once you get that off, then screw the longer base into the mount itself.
Adventure is waiting, dreams for the taking, it's all right here. The triumph of tears, the facing of fear. Adventure is calling everything.
Once that's done, then you can mount the Starlink itself, the Starlink Mini, back onto the top of the pole. And then once you get it mounted, tighten the thumb screw. Once the thumb screw is good and tight, then you can line it back up vertically and use the handle to tighten it on the 1-inch rod that you got it mounted on.
Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful.
Let's just see what that looks like outside. There you go. Great. Now that should be a whole lot better for the top. I like it. Okay, the project is completed, so it's time to go have some fun. And you'll recognize some of these guys. This is Brandon Miller and Erica, his wife, and Skylar, his daughter. So let's go and have some fun with the Myrtle Beach Sailing Club. Myrtle Beach Sailing Club, like most sailing clubs, is made up of a diverse group. Some are longtime sailors, old salts. Some are brand new people that have just gone through training. And some are just curious people that think they like the sailing life and would like to be around like-minded people. It's a great group. It's a lot of fun.
I'm real excited how many people we have that showed up. It's great. And I think everybody's aware now, but we're trying to, with the long bay sailing, we have Commodore Jamie over here of the Long Bay Sailing Association. And some of you in our club already know each other. That's why I wanted everybody to kind of sit in separate tables so everybody can meet everybody. I'm real excited about that because I've been talking with Jamie and with Jeff over here, who's the Vice Commodore, about trying to see if we can do some trips together, day trips, things like that next season, okay? So I'm real excited about that. So my group, if you're not going to the boat show, October 10th, 11th? Okay. 11th and 12th, that weekend, if you're not going to the Annapolis Boat Show, we pretty much are going to Bald Head Island for the weekend. So I think Brian and Tabby, Mike and Amanda, Amy and I and the kids, Jamie and Kim are talking about going, and it seems like I missed somebody. Okay, maybe not. Okay, so anyway, what we'd like to do is have everybody introduce themselves. Just real quick, name, if you're affiliated with the Long Bay Sailing or the Myrtle Beach Sailing Club, and if you're a crew or a boat owner also, okay? And we'll start it off with this table with Commodore Jamie here.
I am the Commodore of the Long Bay Sailing Association. Much.
And I'm going to piggyback on that real quick before we start doing personal introductions. Jeff, we have these, they have the boat parades they do, Long Bay does, up down the whole coast of North Myrtle Beach and back. So we, on our overnighters that we do at Bird Island, what I'd like to do is incorporate, hey, we go do part of the boat parade with these guys and then come back and stay overnight with our club. And they're invited to do that also.
We'd love to have you guys join us if you can. Thank you very much.
And the name of your boat is?
Oh, I'm sorry. Lickety Split?
Yes, I remember it. Me and Kathy's a member. And we raced with y'all before. Not with you, Sheldon. We was with Sheldon.
Awesome.
So I remember the boat.
Any story?
I think Tabby wants to do it.
No, everybody's doing it individually. Go ahead.
All right, I'm Brian, this is my wife Tabby. We are Sailing Tipsy Turtle, although our boat name still says Coleman's Crew. It'll be fixed soon. But we have 3 kiddos and now a new pup. And yeah, we're happy to be here. And
This is your sister, right?
this is my mom.
I'm Marilyn. I'm from Boise, Idaho.
Woo!
And I'm here visiting, and I was going to attend the trip, but it's canceled, so we're here to...
Well, at least you got a meal out of it.
Yeah, exactly.
And Tabby, do you want to say anything? You're the face of Tipsy Turtle.
I'm not the Hi, I'm
Stand
Tabby.
up so everybody can hear.
We are hanging out on Tipsy Turtle
yeah.
with our kids and our dog, just trying to live the dream and be on the water as much as possible.
Awesome. So, all right, go ahead.
Jeff and Melissa Ballard, and we're part of LBSA, own YOLO. So
YOLO.
We're over here at Mariners Point. I've been sailing about a year, so thanks to Jason for teaching me, and then LBSA for helping me a whole lot this first year.
Awesome.
I'm Diana Smith. I live right here in Cherry Grove, and I'm brand new to the Mono Beach Sailing School Club as crew.
Woohoo!
Mike and Amanda Berger.
All right.
Sailing with Jason's team there.
Okay, we're just with the Myrtle Beach Sailing Club, Sailing School. Thank you to Jason for once again teaching us how to sail. We've been with our boat for about 3 years and really enjoy having folks come through with us and enjoy the journey. It's a lot of fun.
Hi, my name's Guy Ray. I'm an Australian. I lived in Minneapolis for 36 winters and been down here just over a year. I've been sailing since I was 10. I've been instructing for 20 years. I'm with Jason. I've brought...
My name is May Webb. I would be crew for anybody. I have sailing experience from when I was a kid, and I got away from it, but I'm back again.
All right. Awesome.
Carl Jordan, this is my wife Sherry. We live over in Long. I crew on the LSBA boats. Whoever calls me first gets me, except for Runaway. They're always number one when we pull out. But we love to have the crew out there, and we have a really good time. And thank you, Jason, for hosting us.
Awesome.
Sorry, my name is Mike. This is my wife Marina. I'm a deckhand, mostly crew. I got my 101 at Napa. Yep.
And we have a
I
little
said that.
member on board.
There you go.
Right now.
Boat babies are always good.
Yes, so he'll be joining us very soon.
And Marina just tags along with me, but she's learning to sail slowly.
Got it.
I'm Brett Kane. I'm the owner of Runaway, 38-foot Cabarico. I've got lots of crew, part of LBSA. Been doing this for, I've had the boat for 30 years, and I've been here since 93 or 96.
I'm Heidi.
I got one.
I am one of Jason's students. I'm new to this. I'm open to crewing, helping anywhere around the boat, just to get, more time on the boat. Thanks.
Go ahead, Jeff.
I'm Jeff. I'm one of the instructors with Jason and Captain. I do a lot of deliveries as well. I've done racing as well, competing in national and international regattas up and down the East Coast and through the Caribbean. I've been teaching with Jason for about 1.5 years. Before that was...
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Tamara. I'm crew. I currently reside in Raleigh, North Carolina. I generally crew with Breck or Dennis, and open to get lots of experience and learn to race better.
I'm Sally, and I'm crew. And I belong to LBSA, but also just joined Myrtle Beach, so
Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Oh, good.
Myrtle Beach.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Clay Brandon. This is my wife Sarah. Been sailing for 5 or 6 years, taking several classes through Jason, and been crewing on a number of the boats here today. Enjoying a lot, always looking for a chance to go out, learn some new skills. And we live in Conway, South Carolina.
Hello, I'm Daniel. This is my 13th month of living in Myrtle Beach, so I'm loving it. I'm with the Myrtle Beach Sailing Club. I'm crew and looking to get on the water more and also learn how to work on boats. So if you need some elbow grease,
just reach out and let me know. Happy to come help.
Uh-oh. We heard him say that. Mark that down. We heard him say that.
All right, there you go.
I'm Dennis. I own a 36-foot contest Wanderlust. I brought down
Wanderlust. Okay, saw that one too. Yep.
from New York. I sailed up in Long Island Sound in the Northeast and cruised. I mostly had cruising boats, but I raced on a lot of boats up in the Northeast for like 30, 40 years.
All right. Brandon.
Hey, I'm Brandon, crew. This is my wife Erica and my daughter Skylar. I'm only doing this so she can sail me around the world when she's about 14 or 15. So she's looking to jump on some boats. I was going to say the elbow grease thing too until I saw the outpouring support of that. So I'm here to sail and have some fun, so let's go sailing.
Erica, you want to say a few words?
I'm just the wife.
We're trying to get her on the boat. And this is the star of the show right here. She has her own videos, TikTok. You got to see her. She can cook. I mean, she is awesome. So anyway, good. So I do have to tell a quick story right here. So Brandon wanted to go with us one time, and he came down, and the weather wasn't exactly right. So I said, why don't you come down and I'll teach you how to do everything on our boat. It's a Catalina 387. And he says, do you need anything done? Remember this over here. And I said, yeah. I said, my flag line came out up there on them. Look, everybody knows what this is. On the spreader. And he says, I'll go. And I said, no, man, I ain't going to put you up there. He says, have you got a harness? I said, sure. He says, okay. So I put him up there. He said, I'm not afraid of heights. I said, well, I am. Put my flag line in. And so be careful what you say. Yeah, I'll be glad to do. Because, you know, we will include you if you want to be. So thank you, guys. I know we're going to have a great meeting. Hope everybody has a good time eating. Like I say, I just want to say next episode. So today we're going to be installing the solar panels. These are the 200 watt SIG Bouge RV panels. And we'll be installing them back on the dinghy davits.